The sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows across the barren fields of a small village in India. Arjun, a young man of 20, sat under the neem tree near his home, staring at the dusty road that stretched endlessly ahead. His dream was as vast as that road, to become a marathon runner. But in a world bound by poverty and expectations, his aspirations seemed absurd. Arjun's father, a farmer struggling to make ends meet, often reminded him of their harsh reality. "Dreams won't fill our stomachs, Arjun," he would say. But Arjun wasn't one to give up easily. He felt an unexplainable fire within him, a determination to break free from the chains of his circumstances. Every morning, before the village woke, Arjun would tie pieces of old cloth around his feet and run. He ran through the fields, past the river, and into the dense forest. The terrain was unforgiving, and the sharp stones often cut into his soles. Yet, he pushed on, his heart pounding in rhythm with his steps. The villagers ridiculed him, calling him foolish and unrealistic. "What's the point of running around like a madman?" they mocked. But their words only fueled his resolve. Arjun knew that his journey would be lonely, but he was prepared to endure it. One day, as Arjun ran through the village outskirts, an elderly man observed him from a distance. Mr. Sharma, a retired coach from the city, had moved to the village for a quieter life. Intrigued by Arjun's dedication, he approached the young man. "You have raw talent," Sharma said, handing Arjun an old pair of running shoes. "But talent alone isn't enough. Are you willing to work harder than you ever have?" Arjun's eyes lit up with determination. "Yes, sir," he replied without hesitation. Training under Sharma was grueling. Arjun woke up at 4 a.m. every day, running long distances, practicing sprints, and following a strict diet. His body ached, and exhaustion often threatened to overpower him. There were days when he wanted to give up, but Sharma's words always echoed in his mind: "Pain is temporary, quitting lasts forever." Slowly, Arjun began to improve. His strides became stronger, his endurance grew, and his confidence blossomed. Months later, Arjun qualified for his first district-level marathon. On race day, as he stood among seasoned runners, his heart pounded with a mix of excitement and fear. The gunshot signaled the start, and he surged forward. The race was brutal, with steep inclines and scorching heat. Halfway through, his legs cramped, and doubt crept into his mind. "Maybe I'm not cut out for this," he thought. But then he remembered the countless mornings of training and the sacrifices he had made. Drawing strength from within, he pushed through the pain and crossed the finish line in third place. Though he didn't win, the crowd's applause felt like victory. Arjun's performance caught the attention of state-level coaches, and he was invited to train at a professional facility. Leaving his village was bittersweet, but he knew it was a necessary step toward his dream. At the facility, Arjun faced a new set of challenges. The other athletes were faster, stronger, and more experienced. They often looked down on him, dismissing him as an outsider. "You don't belong here," one of them sneered. But Arjun refused to let their words break him. He trained harder, staying late after practice to perfect his technique. He studied the strategies of great marathon runners, learning the importance of pacing and mental strength. Years of relentless effort culminated in Arjun qualifying for the National Marathon Championship. The race was a grueling 42 kilometers, testing the limits of every participant. As the marathon began, Arjun focused on his rhythm, ignoring the pressure around him. The first 30 kilometers were manageable, but the final stretch pushed him to his breaking point. His legs felt like lead, and every breath was a struggle. The voices of doubt returned, whispering that he wasn't strong enough. But then he thought of his family, his mentor Sharma, and the countless mornings when he ran barefoot through the fields. This is my moment, he told himself. Summoning every ounce of strength, Arjun pushed forward, overtaking one runner after another. As he neared the finish line, the cheers of the crowd became a distant roar. With one final burst of energy, he crossed the line, collapsing to the ground as the announcer declared him the winner. Tears streamed down his face as he realized what he had accomplished. He had not only won the race but also proved that dreams, no matter how impossible they seem, can be achieved with determination and hard work. Arjun's victory became a symbol of hope for his village and beyond. He returned home as a hero, inspiring others to chase their dreams despite the odds. Standing under the same neem tree where his journey began, Arjun reflected on how far he had come. The road ahead was still long, but he was no longer afraid. He had pushed beyond limits and discovered the boundless strength within himself. Moral of the story: no dream is too big when fueled by determination, hard work, and perseverance. Challenges and criticism are part of the journey but can be turned into stepping stones toward success. With resilience and self-belief, even the most impossible goals can be achieved.